You're under arrest, so put your hands behind your back, okay? All right, we'll get it. We'll get it. There you go.
Why am I under arrest? I didn't touch them.
You got whole things over there. Dude's bleeding on the back of the head. Yes, ma'am.
The DJ showed up in an agitated state, claiming her phone and wallet were missing. She was uncooperative, which escalated the situation. And it didn't stop there.
Just got my phone back.
Sit down.
I just got my phone back and they're lying. I just got my phone back from that red hair guy.
Hey, sit down for a minute.
I just got my phone back
All right, let's
from him. So why you think I have my phone?
Sit down.
Don't even sit here and act like you did. I just got my phone back from them.
Okay. Can you
sit down?
Sit down.
In my purse. They stole my purse too. They threw my out. Look at my purse in the middle of it. Look, my purse.
What's your name? Let's start with that. Huh?
My name is Fatu. I'm front office manager. I need him to show him the camera where she assaulted me. Where she assaulted me.
So how did this start? Just let's start from there. I know he's frustrated and hyped. What happened?
The original thing is she came in here. She checked in. First thing she just went to the bar.
Okay.
She's been there for a couple of hours, drinking, having a good time, and all that stuff. She went back to her room. She didn't know where her room was. She gave him different numbers, all this stuff. Engineer got called down to help her in her room.
Okay.
She went and started cussing out engineering.
Okay.
She then called up front desk, started cursing out front desk people.
Okay.
Front desk hanged up on her. She came up here, started getting loud, angry, cussing out everybody out, all this other stuff. Try to give her a chance. And back there, try to come back, give her a chance. She's cussing everybody else again too again. So now everything got, she had to leave. She's not leaving. She's not moving. Not nothing. She then comes. She wants a card. She sits right here. Says, "Who's calling 911?" She called 911.
According to the front desk manager, the DJ caused a disturbance at the bar, called 911 to pressure and attack the security guard. All actions were recorded by the camera.
And this all happened right here in the front desk?
Yeah.
That's her right there?
Yeah, let me get you a better angle.
So what was she mad about?
So originally she checked in, and when she checked in, I think she went to the wrong room. So it started off with the engineer person. So she started, insulting him, just going off on him. Long story short, she marched her way to the front desk, and she then called PBX, insulted her, then marched her way to the front desk, and that's where she started.
161, 133, 131,
We asked her to leave multiple times. She did not want to leave. She just started just very rude, disruptive.
Is that her only stuff right there? She hit you in the face with it right there.
That's what she hit me.
Thank you for your restraint.
4126.
That's when it's time for her to leave. She kept hitting me.
Okay.
Right here.
See?
She hit me, and then she hit her.
It's more,
No, she went to go hit her, and then I tried to block her.
There's more coming up here.
Okay. Did you get hit back here as well?
Yes. I believe she's highly intoxicated.
Yeah, she can be going. She can be going to jail.
Is your ID in here?
Yes.
Can I grab it?
Okay, so now they ruined my purse and now I'm getting in trouble. It's right here.
Oh, it's in there? Okay.
I'm getting in trouble and I didn't even do anything. You see, I'm sober. They sit here. First of all, I bought my hotel room. You can see that I bought my hotel room.
Okay.
This is why I'm
So what happened? Why are people?
First of all, because they talking about I got an attitude with the front desk. I brought my hotel. I brought it. I never even walked up to the hotel room. They talking about, oh, you got an attitude here.
How long were you supposed to be staying here for?
Day.
Just one night. You mind hanging out real quick? Just hang on with this officer, okay? Don't get up.
Can I just sit in the car? It's fine.
We'll get to it in a second. Give me a few minutes, okay? I'll be right
No,
back.
can I sit in the car?
They just left. Are you cold or something?
I'll leave my stuff.
She okay to sit in the car?
Yeah, you can put her in the car. We haven't had her done yet.
Check your. You dropped your.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, you dropped your card there.
They are getting up on.
Hang on. Grab this stuff real quick.
Here.
No. You keep that. Just grab your bags.
He broke my purse.
You're not getting in the driver's seat. Stop. No, you're not getting in this one either. Come on back here. All right. I'll grab your stuff.
Police stepped in to verify her identity. Despite her lack of cooperation, she was handled according to procedure to avoid escalating tensions.
Brought this hotel room. I brought it.
Okay.
And they sit here and I got an argument with the.
I'm gonna talk. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna talk.
Can you let me just?
Step
Can you
out.
let me? I'm not in trouble.
You're under arrest, so
Oh,
put your
my
hands behind your
God.
back, okay?
Here's my fault.
All right, we'll get it. We'll get it. There you go.
Why am I under arrest?
Receive equipment.
I sit here and I got in an argument with the front desk, and then she was just like, "Oh,
There you go. I got your stuff and we'll put it all
can
together,
you
okay?
tell me why I'm under arrest?"
Assault.
Oh,
The whole
I
thing's-
didn't touch
The
him.
whole thing's over there. The dude's bleeding
you
on the back of his head.
serious?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to jail.
Turn around,
Are
face
you
the car so
serious?
he can adjust the
I
cuffs.
did not touch him.
Okay, well, you'll have a court date. You can explain that to the judge.
Oh,
Just
my
hang tight.
God.
They have cameras all over that place. You hit multiple people in there.
No, I did not hit one person. If I did hit
I thought
him,
you just said you didn't hit
I didn't hit him. I
All right, listen to me.
If I did,
What was your name, ma'am?
Oh my God, I did not hit.
What was your name, ma'am?
him.
I need to explain something to you. What's your name? I'd like to address you by your name. Deja? All right. So we do not have a female officer. Do you have any contraband or anything like that? Illegal narcotics, weapons, anything like that on you?
No, but
No?
can you just get my purse and my
Yeah,
stuff
everything's
from
going to
the...
be going with us. All right. So I want to pat you down with the outside of my hand, okay? Make sure you don't have anything in your waistband,
I
okay?
did not hit him. So I'm going to have to spend the night at jail.
Yes, ma'am. Lift your arms up.
Can I call my mom?
Once you get down to the jail, they'll let you make a phone call.
Can I just call her on the way to jail?
No, we can't do that.
I want you to be calm.
I don't care about getting called.
141 another.
He hit me first. Did you see that?
DJ denied and asked to call, but the evidence was clear and the police arrested him. The excuse was even more contradictory.
I don't know him
Hey,
back. I just
you gotta act like an adult. You don't just go around hitting people.
Right.
You know?
And I told him from early, I told him she needs to leave.
Yeah.
You know, she needs to leave because she
Was she
being-
causing an issue before, or
Yeah,
just?
she apparently she went to 229, that's not her room. So she went into the room.
So she doesn't
and
have a room here at all.
She have a room,
Oh, okay.
but her room is 239. But she started to be so disrespectful to the engineer guy. He
Yeah.
just opened the door and let her in. And when she realized that that's not her room, she came out. She called, and that's when she spoke to me. And then she started calling me all kind of for no
Yeah,
reason. I was
okay.
like, I'm not gonna have you talk to me like that. So I hung up the phone, and sure enough, she came to the desk. When she came to the desk, she started to be loud and we started to videotape and
Yeah.
all that. And then the manager came in, and I told her, I said, this lady has to go. So I told her exactly what happened. And she she stayed in the lobby being loud, and it just ended up escalating more, so.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
she's just created a very disruptive environment for all of us.
Yeah, yeah, of
And,
course.
we're hoping to not have her return back to
Yeah.
property.
All right. I'll give her a criminal trespass form as well.
Okay.
So if she ever does come back, then she'll go to jail for violating that. So.
I did not even... Can you talk to him one more time, please? Can you talk to him?
Talk to who?
The owner. Tell him I would give him money, please. Can I talk to him? Can you bring him over here? Please. I don't want to go to jail, please. Please, can you just give me a chance? Can you just give me a chance, please? I went to, I haven't gone to public school all my life. I went to private school all my life. Can you please just bring him over here?
The DJ was arrested by police on the spot on charges of assault and disturbing public order.